Okay guys, welcome to Don Mueang International Airport. Today I'm taking a flight with Thai Air Asia, flying from Bangkok to Buriram, and of course I get to take the bus, which is always fun. This is quite common out of Don Mueang, taking the bus to and from the plane. It's not every flight, but it seems to be just about every flight that I take. In this case, the plane wasn't that far away, maybe a 10-minute ride. But sometimes they park way at the end of the airport and it seems to take forever to get there. This flight is FD3520. It's an afternoon flight from Bangkok to Buriram. Here's the ride. Everybody trying to get on at the same time. This is only a short flight, about 50 minutes. It ain't very long, that's for sure. It takes longer to get through the airport and get to the plane than the flight takes, that's for sure. At the minute, or when I did this flight, there were only 2 flights a day in and out of Buriram, one in the morning and this one in the evening or afternoon, both by Air Asia. So if you plan on flying in or out of Buriram, you need to book weeks in advance probably. I booked months in advance and got the best price, but these flights are normally sold out days or weeks ahead of time. And the seats do get expensive once the plane starts to fill up. Here we are pushing back from the airport. That's another Air Asia plane just comes in. Those people will get to take a bus too. Lucky them.
This flight will take 1 hour. For your safety, please put your seat back in an upright position. Fasten your seat belt. Start the tray table and open up the window shade next to you. Please switch off electronic devices. Mobile phone and flight mode may only be used when the seatbelt sign is switched off.
And here we go. Goodbye, Bangkok. On the north side of Bangkok, where this airport is, and we took off heading north, there's not a whole lot to see. Lots of factories there, and then it just gets out into farmland. This is flying over Buriram. This was in December of 2024, just after the rice was harvested. As you can see, all the fields, majority of the fields are brown. The green there is sugarcane and trees. The dark green is the trees. A lot of sugarcane grown in this area. You see the big areas of trees. Those are probably rubber trees. There's quite a lot of rubber farms in Buriram. But as you can see, there seems to be just as many sugarcane farms as there is rice farms in this area. Here we are about the land. They've done a lot of work on this airport. The runway, it looks like it's been extended. They plan to make it longer so they can accommodate bigger planes. That looks like it's done. And they built a new terminal building. It's not open yet, but the building itself looks finished on the outside. But there's been a lot of work done there over the last couple of years. Which don't make any sense considering there's only 2 flights a day in and out of here. As soon as the plane lands, at least half the people stand up. Then they wait. And wait some more. And then they turn around and go out the back door. Straight ahead there, that's the new terminal building. It's right next to the old one. And it's 2 levels. There's the plane. Don't take long to unload the plane when you do it from both ends, that's for sure. Small airport, very easy to get through. There's only one built inside that door. Luggage gets there pretty quick. And then it's just out the next door and out of the building. Small airport, very easy. Alright guys, there it is. That's my video on my flight from Bangkok to Buriram, Thailand. It was very uneventful, as it should be. As always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.